Hello everybody, I'm Storm here. Welcome back to Persona 3 Reload. In the last episode, we did our second attempt at the first boss of this area, Ptolemea. And this time I was able to handily defeat the boss because I was actually prepared for what it was going to be doing. And so we then got some upgrades for our crew and went into the new section and did a little bit of work in there. So that is what we're going to get right back to and keep on plowing through this section. So I assume we're going to be heading towards another boss. So let's get to it.
Just stay focused.
Alright, we've already cleared this floor, so let's go to the next one. And we have a monad.
I think I'm getting stronger. Maybe not as strong as I used to be, but it's something. We just have to keep pressing forward and put an end to this. 3 targets! They won't know it hit them!
Alright, yeah, it was,
Corral Town just toppled 2 enemies! Ready to switch in. I copy. Nicely done, I guess! Maximum firepower!
alright, so you are
Now's the time.
dizzy at the moment.
I won't lose! Sorry! What should I do?
You don't have fire, so oh, we got a crit. 2 crits.
Let's strike them down! Target locked! Don't you dare run! There! That about does it. Convincing win. No shadows detected.
Oh. Jatayu. Alright, and some
Now let's get back to
levels.
exploring. Three enemies detected. We've got the upper hand. I'm still setting up. It'll take a little more time.
Alright, we don't know anything about these. Let's start with dark.
I have to do this.
Wind. They reflect wind.
What's the best move? My wish will become my strength.
Crits? Oh yeah, 1 crit.
Ready to switch in. Your turn. Of course. I can do this. No, I'm still setting up. It'll take a little more time. It is time.
Let's try lightning.
Persona, engage. This is my resolve.
Let's try ice. Ice would appear to be the solution.
Don't hold anything back. Target
full heal. Well, that's awfully annoying.
Enemy eliminated. Good boy, Koro-chan.
What next?
See if we can poison them.
It missed?
We got one of them.
I can do this. Titania.
I hit him with some heavy ice.
What is optimal? Something else.
Let's go this way.
Only one left.
Nicely done, I guess.
Maximum firepower.
Ammunition low. So quickly it runs.
All right. Komokuten. And I'm overstocked. I think we are going to go ahead and replace Black Frosts.
That's mission complete. I'm doing better than ever. Sister, an enemy. That's our way forward.
All right, we'll get it this time.
Nice,
I can handle it.
Roger that.
Let's switch the Metis and Deathbound them.
Recalibrating visual sensors.
The enemy's down.
What should I do?
Dennis gave us
This
an
is
opening.
my wish. Well done. Let's strike them down.
Ammunition low. So quickly it runs.
All right, all but one.
In this situation, what is optimal?
We need a single target slash attack, which we don't have one.
I won't be defeated here. Good work out there.
Still got it.
All right, let's go see what's in the rest of this floor.
Oh, that.
A bead.
Let's make this quick.
I thought that opening the chest would have gotten rid of it.
Looks like fire will work great. Koro-chan just toppled 2 enemies. It's weak to piercing. Try arrows or bullets.
Let's do this.
Yes.
We're not gonna go easy.
Ammunition low.
Weapons free.
Summoning.
All right. Do I have a good? I have one-shot kill. Cruel attack, torrent shots.
This is my duty.
Alright.
One enemy locked down by Aegis.
This is my resolve.
Something else.
I can handle it. Koromaru-san.
Get the other ones.
Fire at maximum capacity. How can I help my sister?
Persona!
You should still be buffed.
One to go.
Bingo.
Enemy eliminated.
I
That
will
about
protect
does it.
my sister.
No shadows detected.
Alright, what do we got? Suzaku and Chariot. I'm gonna take Suzaku. Let's see, it does fire and heal and raise. Yeah, we'll go ahead and replace Shikiuji.
That was great, sister. It looks like some kind of strange door.
Oh yeah, the Monad door.
It seems like we've checked everything on this floor.
Do I want to do it? Yeah, let's do it. Yep, let's go.
It's for my sister. Stop getting in our way.
Hear my prayers.
Let's fire this first.
Let me help you all. I'm still setting up. It'll take a little more time.
I don't like the dice.
Teammates, I was careless. Aegis is down. Not this is bad. Yet.
Now's the time. Some fun! Persona!
Alright, well, we're gonna have to get off of fire. Anything with fire weakness.
Hold on! Rejoining the front lines.
Yukari-chan, don't panic.
What is optimal?
Oh, you have fire weakness. Of course you do. You don't.
Persona!
Alright, clear that up.
It's a strong one. Be on your
I
guard.
do? Persona!
Let's try a physical attack.
Should I scan on this enemy?
Yeah, let's
Analysis
give him
complete.
a scan. No
Should I scan on this
weaknesses.
enemy?
Weak to fire.
Nice,
Koromaru-san.
done.
Ready to switch in. I can handle it. Okay.
Over here!
Get rid of the
What's
dice.
this?
Bullseye! That's that!
What next? Persona!
My fate, thank you very much.
Get everybody healed up.
This is my resolve. No, it's a strong one. Be on your guard. What is optimal?
Let's see. What can we do?
This is my duty.
Oh, we're already
the best
defense
move?
boosted, right?
This is
Yeah,
my
go ahead and charge.
enemy eliminated. Good point, Kuro-chan. Oh no! Yukari-chan's down. She's in trouble. No, Yukari-chan. Use this.
Let's get rid of that shock.
Sustained heavy damage. Kuro-chan! This is my resolve.
All right, it's doing every single element.
Persona!
I'll get him this time.
You're really beat up! Hurry! You've got to heal! You're wide open.
Theurgy it.
You're finished! I'll use this power to protect her. Maybe next time.
Oh, nice dodge.
Help!
Now's the time. I won't lose.
Summoning!
All right. What could we do?
I start.
Put up a car, Karn.
Come on! I appreciate it.
Let's lower your defense. Let's raise its attack.
Times like these call for this.
I can do this.
Let's see. Let's do King and I. Maybe we'll get a freeze. And this thing is really tanky. All right.
Here.
All right, we'll get a magic reflecting wall. You already have it on everybody. There you go.
Won't be defeated here. Good job, everyone.
Your own buffed up attack. Okay. All right, I'll take Chariot. Tempest Slash. Weak slash damage to one foe, 1 to 4 hits. I guess we'll replace that.
Oh, hello.
Hit a bunch of those soul drops. All right. Gata of Anguish.
Hey.
Endurance plus 8. Higher, much higher evasion. Okay, go for it. Silver quartz. Balm of life. Ergotite chunk. All right, next floor. Getting closer to a strong enemy presence. It's not far away now. Stay on your
Oh, there's
toes.
a treasure chest. This is enemy detected. We've got the upper hand.
In this situation, time to shine! Isis!
All right, then wait the wind.
Nicely done! This should end it!
It is time.
We have a better multi-target wind.
Guide us to victory.
Nicely done, Aegis!
Maximum firepower.
Rangda. And we're overstocked. Bufudine, Mabufula. $40 magic. $49 magic.
Our teamwork has won the day.
Alright, let's keep that up.
I need to head back and do some fusion. Ah, this has a teleporter on it. Alright.
Leave it to me, sister. I'll beat all those shadows.
Yes, we got the advantage.
I haven't seen anyone. What is optimal? You'll have to use
Something
trial and
else.
Uh,
error.
it's ice,
This is
so
my resolve.
let me try. Fire.
Nicely done, I guess.
Don't hold anything back.
Weapons free.
Nice, Koromaru-san.
You can't run.
Alright. Let's grab the money.
Want to check that chest?
Oh, hold on. Don't want to forget.
Koro-chan found a one-way teleporter to the entrance.
Yep, let's head back. Yeah, I'm not ready to swap people out just yet, but Koromaru is going to need some replenishment. Alright, let's see what we can do with the new personas we picked up.
Welcome to the Velvet Room. Register. Will you register it to the companion? I've completed registration. Are you in?
What kind of persona do you desire?
Well, one that I can actually, make would be great.
Take all the time you need to
Chernobog,
consider.
Pazuzu, Atropos. 58 would be able to advantage these.
You can't control this one yet. This persona is powerful.
Parvati and Siegfried, Nibrios, and Rangda.
This would be a wise choice.
Yeah,
What do
I
you
think
wish
that
to
would be a
inherit?
wise choice. Myriad arrows. All foes attack.
Well, well, well.
And let's see. That allows us to make Uriel.
This would be a wise choice. This would be a wise choice.
I'm gonna take all that healing stuff over.
This persona is powerful.
I mean, do I have anything else that can do dark? Suzaku.
This would be a wise choice.
The Arhan Samurai Karm.
What do you wish
let's
to
see.
inherit?
What could I bring over? I would want the Arhan Samurai Karm Amrita drop. And probably Dakaja. Yeah, go ahead and do it.
It's finally time. This would be a wise choice.
Siegfried and Chernabog.
This would be a wise choice.
I think it would be a wash.
This persona is powerful.
And it has 2 weaknesses. I don't know if I want that one. Astarte.
This would be a wise choice.
Tetrakarn and Makarakarn will come over. No. Hariti.
This would be a wise choice.
I would need the Samurai Karm or the Amrita Shower. Made the Arahan. I think that's also kind of a wash at the moment. All right.
Very well. We look.
Nothing new? Okay, so we did not finish any requests by doing that. Alright, but I think we're at the end of the episode, so we didn't make a lot of progress. But we're chewing through it, so we'll go ahead and stop here, and then we'll head back on in. See if we can get to the boss, and see how far we get. Alright, but for now, we'll stop here. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Go ahead, like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you next time.